Today I'm going to show you how to add length to the coast coat pattern. Grab one of your bodices and the box that you cut out for the length that you wanted. There's 2 extra lengths available. On your bodice, you'll see a line that says cut line. Take your scissors and cut along that line. Once trimmed, separate the upper part of the bodice from the lower part of the bodice and insert the box in between. If it's the back bodice, you'll have to trim along the trim line on the pattern piece there. Then grab your tape and tape the bodice back together. It's as easy as that. If you wish to do a duster length, just add more blank paper. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe at Lorraine Handmade for more sewing patterns and tutorials. Thanks!